Hello, welcome back to yet another video. So glad to have you here. Now, first thing first, you might be noticing there's a slightly different room than what you're used to, and I will go into that in another video. Secondly, the lighting is awful because yes, I just haven't been bothered to set up the lights yet, and I thought it's just an intro and an outro because I forgot to do the intro for this POV. I borrowed a lens. It's a 70-200mm, the RF one. It is a fantastic lens. I decided to go take it out to Canary Wharf during the night and test it out just after New Year's Day, and yeah, this is what I got from it. Hope you enjoy. And there will be a video coming about my move to this location. It's still being edited. I'm very tired and very busy at the moment, so enjoy the video. I'm sorry, it's very, very windy, so I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this properly, but let's make a start. Let's try that. That looks quite good. Yeah, apologies if I don't talk very much. I'm still not quite used to talking in public on camera, because to me I still look like a weirdo, but I guess that's part of the YouTube life. But anyway, let's continue. Ah, this is the building I saw on the way down. Right. Yeah, I want to get a picture of that one. Oh, that's higher up than I thought. Okay. That could look quite interesting once I've edited it up a little bit. Spying people. On another note, I'm definitely going to have to do a photo shoot here. I imagine this with a long lens or a wide angle lens. How sick would that be? Right there, so I'm looking up a little bit. That's kind of a fun shot. Ooh, that's quite cool. On 70 at the moment. Nice dark shot. I'll bump it up just a little bit. Honestly, still no idea if I'm actually framing these properly with the GoPro, because I'm very new to FPVs, POVs. Although I do want to get into FPV, that would be awesome. He's quite an interesting subject. Perfect. So with night photography, you always want to expose for the highlights, because you can always bring them down, but shadows are easy to bring up. So yeah, I've been away for a little while. I've recently started a new job. It's where I've got this lens from. But yeah, I work in a camera rentals company as a digital operator, or a digital technician, Digitech. But yeah, it's a pretty cool job actually. Cool shot. Where are you? There you are. I like getting people shots. They're fun. Is that right? That kind of worked. I guess we'll see in the edit. That could be something. Let's try one more time. I could do something with that. Right, what else have we got? Too bright. That's a cool photo. I'll wait for this guy to go past. No, don't turn. Yeah, that sucked. I honestly have no idea why I've never been here before. It's so lovely. That was quite cool. I quite enjoyed that one. City. I kind of just feel like a tourist currently. But, oh well. That could be quite an interesting photo if there wasn't so much glare and reflection. I kinda wish I got the cigarette in his mouth, but oh well. Ooh, another angle of this guy. This man is furiously playing a game, clearly. Don't know what he's doing, but cool. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Perfect. Ooh. Ooh, that could be quite an interesting photo. Group of people there. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Kind of texture. Just had a bit of an issue with the GoPro. Didn't want to turn on, but I think everything is sorted now. So let's keep going. Ooh, I want to get into the security guard here. It's framed quite nicely. Definitely get a photo of this guy. He looks really cool. Yeah, they didn't want me here. Oh well. I don't even know if I got the photo. Let's just check. There's one. I got a photo of this beamer. It's quite cool. Don't ask me why I just fired like 50 shots there. Little adventure while you do it. Oh, I'm back here. Okay, I know roughly where I am now. It's quite cool. Oh, that's a cool shot. Ooh, that was a good spot. Ugh, children. Let's photograph the photographer. Actually, a weirdly nice photo. It's actually quite a nice photo. Whatever.
That's a nice photo. Again, I will get better at street photography, but it does take practice.
So, hope you enjoyed that video. It was fun to make. I'm a bit rusty, and I know that I've not been constant with the uploads at the moment, but I'm going to try better. I've got a bit more normal time now during the weekends, unlike my previous job. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.